Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're tired of those pesky ads interrupting your browsing experience on Chrome for iPhone, you've come to the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you a simple way to block ads on Chrome for your iPhone. Let's get started. First, you'll need to install an ad blocker since Chrome on iPhone doesn't support extensions like it does on the desktop. Go to your app store and use an app called AdGuard. It's a free app that will help us block those annoying ads. So to simply install it, tap on Get. After you've installed it, AdGuard will ask for permissions to set up a VPN profile on your device. This is necessary for it to block ads across all your apps, including Chrome. Go ahead and allow the permission. With AdGuard set up, the next step is to make sure it's active in Chrome. Open your iPhone settings. Then scroll down and tap on Safari. Yes, I said Safari, not Chrome. This is because we need to enable content blockers in Safari settings to ensure AdGuard works properly. Under Safari settings, you'll see an option called content blockers or the block pop-ups. Tap on that and make sure AdGuard is enabled. You can also see the extensions. Finally, the AdGuard will be working. Open Chrome and navigate to a website that usually has a lot of ads. And you should see significantly fewer ads or none at all. If ads are still showing up, try refreshing the pages or restarting your device. And that's it. You've successfully blocked ads on Chrome for your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more quick tips.